I'm Bryson. I'm George, and today we don't only do Black Ops Modern Warfare 2 videos.
We draw too.
Yep. Today we will be drawing this right here. I actually drew this by myself. In the next video, we'll tell you how to color. He's already got Monster Energy drawn because we don't want this video to be too long. So, let's get started. Okay. You really want to trace something. You can print a Monster Energy and this like that. I didn't print it. I just looked at can't make sense. I'm looking at a hat right now, actually. That was large. Let me get a light. Wait 1 minute. Yeah? Come to couch paint. Oh, wait. I need that. Um, Sorry, I messed up. Let me restart. It'll take just a minute because he's really good. I am too. He's almost finished. Okay, I'm done. Monster Energy right there.
Now, if y'all think that's good, give us some. Um, just tell us how we did, and we'll draw whatever you want. Okay? So just tell us, because y'all need to inspire us. Okay? Because if we don't get good views, then we might stop. Okay?
Thanks, Tom.
Yeah. Thanks. And this is the other one I drew. I covered this one.
Yep. I'll show you mine in the next video.